Yeah.
Me playing with the bird.
Yeah. Look at there are some birds there.
So guys,
Look at the birds. Wow.
Guys,
What do you have to say, Melody? What do you say?
look,
Look, there's a lot of birds there. There's a lot there.
look, Jesus, you're a lot of birds.
Look at this place, Melody. Do you see a lot of birds there too? Wow, hello guys. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Eric Family TV. I just took the children out today because they are on holiday, 1 week holiday. They are going to stay at home, so we decided to take a walk. So we are outside taking a walk. I take them to a big place where they can see people, they can play. This city is a very big place. This place is a very big place. So a lot of people are here. They play, they see things. Okay.
Mom beat you.
You see another one. My kids are so happy to be here today. They are having fun. They are having a lot of fun here. Do you
It dropped my head. You want to do it?
you think the bird want to shoot you?
Yes, because I was saying I want to shoot.
Another one.
Melody,
You guys should be careful. Don't go to distract them. What do you have to say? Stand here and talk now. What do you want to say, Melissa?
And the birds not caught that.
You are scaring away all the birds.
Mommy,
And they are flying away.
Mommy,
Yes.
the bird not cold.
You say what?
Is the bird not cold?
The bird?
Yeah, not cold.
No, they are not cold like us.
They have feathers.
Yeah, they have feathers. Mm-hmm. What?
Pigeons are doing like this.
Okay. You are
These
hearing.
pigeons are doing.
You are hearing their voice,
Yes.
but I can't hear them. Oh, the water is finished. There's no water inside. Oh, it's dried. Olivia is cold already. Olivia, are you cold? Wow.
Guys,
There's no water inside. Hello, ma. Good afternoon. they are homeless? I don't know. I think they just want to entertain people. I don't think they are homeless. I think they just want to entertain people. Olivia is dancing too.